Do you want to upgrade unsupported computer to Windows 11 using Rufus? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that easily. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft also released an official tool to test your computer hardware requirements for Windows 11. If your computer does not have supported hardware for Windows 11, you cannot upgrade to it. However, you can upgrade an unsupported computer to Windows 11 using Rufus. Here, we will show you how to do that using this video. Let's get started. Upgrade an unsupported computer to Windows 11 using Rufus. To upgrade an unsupported computer to Windows 11 using Rufus, you need a USB flash drive with a Windows 11 ISO file. Windows Media Creation Tool allows users to create an installation media with Windows 11 ISO. Here is what you can do. Download the Windows 11 ISO file, download Rufus software, run Rufus software and create a bootable USB flash drive with Windows 11 ISO. Run the setup file. Installing Windows 11 on a computer with unsupported hardware or processor is also possible through a registry tweak. Method 1. Download Windows 11 ISO. First, download the Windows 11 ISO file. Visit the official website to download the latest Windows 11 ISO file. You can also use Rufus software to download the Windows 11 ISO, but you can download it directly from Microsoft's website. Method 2. Download and run the Rufus software. The next step is to download Rufus software. Rufus is available as an installer and portable version. You can download any one of its versions. Now connect the USB flash drive to your computer, then run the Rufus software. It will automatically detect the USB flash drive connected to your computer. If you have connected multiple USB flash drives, select the correct one to make it a bootable drive with Windows 11 ISO. Now click on the Select button and select the Windows 11 ISO file from your system. Based on your hard drive partition scheme, select the right option. Under the Format Options section, leave all the options to their default values. You can also rename the USB flash drive or leave this option as is. When you are done, click on Start. A new pop-up window will appear. Here you have to select the customization options for Windows 11 installation. This window will allow you to bypass the hardware requirements. Select the checkbox that says Remove requirement for 4GB plus RAM, Secure Boot and TPM 2.0. You can also remove the requirement for an online Microsoft account. When you are done, click OK. When you click OK, you will receive a warning message that all data on the selected USB flash drive will be deleted. Click OK and Rufus will start creating the bootable USB flash drive with Windows 11 ISO. This process will take some time. When the process is finished, you will be ready to upgrade your system to Windows 11. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.